Hello, my YouTube friend. Today I have a pretty awesome haul of Funko Pops. I have 4 boxes, although I think one of the boxes is only half full and another box just has a few. But it's hauls from a couple different people, a couple smaller trades, and one kind of nicer collection. And I think we're going to have a lot of fun going through it. Okay, let's start digging in. Okay, I think this first box is a group of Pops that were traded to me from Lisa and Tito a couple weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. It's been a little bit of a while. I'm just overwhelmed. There's so much stuff getting traded in. So it's kind of hard to keep track. And I forgot to mark this one down. But let's see what we got. Okay, I found him. We got Waldo. I think I have him already. So he'll be for sale. Okay, and then we got the Witch from, I guess, yeah, Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't have that one. Need that one for my collection. Very cool. Happy to get that. That one is awesome. I love the Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, we have the Slinky Dog from Toy Story. That's cool. I'm pretty sure I have that one. No, I don't think there's any, like, grails or... I think this is just all kind of common stuff, but it's still cool. I do like this stuff. Okay, we have Rowan's Ghost from Ghostbusters. It's a FYE exclusive, glows in the dark. Very cool. I do have that one already. Okay, let's see what we got. We got Freddy from Sam. I think I have that one. I'm pretty sure I have that whole set now. Double check that one, though. I never really went on my way, but I've been getting them through collections. Oh, this is cool. From Frozen 2, we have Young Elsa. This one I do not have. So that one's going into my collection. I don't have a lot from this set. And some of these are just really nice looking Pops. So I definitely want to put that set together. Okay, next we have the regular Energizer Bunny. Definitely have that one. That one I think I have a bunch of right now. Okay, and then we have the Firefighter Mickey. Very cool Pop. That one I do have. And one more. This one is cool. I do not have this one. We have the Josh Baskin from Big. It's a Target exclusive. Absolutely love this. I need to get the rest of the set. Big is one of those movies I absolutely loved when it came out. So I'm actually thrilled to get this. I've actually really wanted this set. I just haven't gone my way to get it. So I'm actually really happy to get one. Awesome. Okay, so that's everything that... It wasn't, like I said, not a ton of Pops, but a couple that I really needed. So thanks, guys. I appreciate the trade. I believe they always, when they bring stuff in, they just trade for store credit. And I give them, I believe, about 75% of the market value for their stuff. And a few things, like something like this, I might have given them the full market value on it because I really wanted it. So I'm happy to get that. Okay, so this next box has stuff from a couple of people. One collection I traded for was from Trisha. Really nice woman. She brought in stuff 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I believe it was about like an $800 collection, I believe. And then there's one trade from Timothy. Timothy's really nice. He likes to come trade stuff as well. And again, I give him like 75% of the market price, unless there's something I really want for myself. So let's see what Timothy traded in. Oh, this is cool. Okay, we have Danny McGrath from Billy Madison. Very cool. I like all these Adam Sandler movie Pops that they've been making lately. I actually don't have that. I'm really happy to get that. This is cool. This one I think I gave him full value for. It's the Alien Bolton. It's a first to market Barnes & Noble exclusive. Very cool. I love that one. I did not have that one yet. Okay, and then we had the Toy Tokyo exclusive from the 2019 San Diego Comic-Con Glows in the Dark Ultraman. That one I do have, so that one will be for sale. Okay, we have a Batman Vegeta Hot Topic exclusive. That's cool. That one I do have, so I'll go into the shop. And we have, oh, this is the metallic Vegeta, but I believe this is the one that came out in Pop Culture. Because I have the original San Diego Comic-Con one. That one is worth like $100. And then this is the reissue that came out a few years after in Pop Culture without a sticker. I think this one still goes for like 30 something. Very cool Pop. I do have both versions of them. So that one will be for sale. Okay, and then finally, we have this really awesome Pop. It's a 2016 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive Auto, limited to 3,000 pieces. Very awesome. Now, the box is a little damaged. I actually think he got this from me last year, and then he just decided he didn't want it anymore, so he traded it back. Very cool Pop. I'm sure someone will want them. I'll just have to discount it a little bit. I think that's everything from Timothy. Thanks for the trade, Timothy. I really appreciate it, especially the Pops I need. Those are cool. Okay, so this is the first Pop from Trisha. She wasn't sure if I would want it because I already had one in the shop, but that's okay. I don't mind getting 10-inch Pops because 10-inch Pops are pretty cool. I do really enjoy them. I've actually been enjoying them a lot lately. And this is a particularly kind of not super valuable. I think it's worth more than retail, but not a lot. But still one that I think a lot of people want, so I'll be able to sell it pretty easily. So we have Tony the Tiger 10-inch. Awesome. Do I have him on the wall? I don't know if I have them on the wall. I don't think I put them on the wall. Eventually, I need to expand the wall a little bit, and I just need to get more of the 10-inch protectors so I can stack more of them. Very cool pop though. That one will be for sale. I just sold a 10-inch pop on Mercari. I think it costs $16 to ship. So if you're interested in 10-inch pops, I will list them on Mercari. But remember, I'm going to list them for a pop price guide plus about $16 shipping. That's the problem with them. They're expensive to ship. Alright, so I believe the rest of these boxes, there's 2 more boxes. These are all from Trisha. Pretty awesome stuff. I think she actually had 1 or 2 grails. Some cool, like, $15 to $20 pops, which I like because those sell really well in my shop. And some stuff I needed. So let's dig in. Okay, so I believe overall her collection was worth around $800. I don't have the exact number, but it's around there. Okay, let's see what we got. We got El Surzvik from Caddyshack. I actually don't think I have that one. Very cool. I love the 80s pops. We have the Specialty Series Glows in the Dark Genie from Aladdin. Very cool pop. That one I have as well. Okay, this is cool. It's the GameStop exclusive Carmen Sandiego. It's the one where she's like transporting herself, so the bottom is translucent. Very cool pop. Do have that one already. Okay, we have the 2018 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive Captain Caveman. That one I have as well. Oh, I love this pop. It's the 2019 ECC Comic-Con exclusive Thor. Very cool pop. I do have that one already, so I'll go into the shop. Okay, next we have the Legion of Collectors exclusive Steppenwolf. That one I have. That one I seem to get semi-often. Okay, we have Audrey Folquard from Little Shop of Horrors. I'm pretty sure I have her. So I'll go in the shop. So a lot of duplicates so far. Okay, we have the common Colonel Sanders. Love that pop. Do have it already. We have the Christmas Town Sora. It's a Hot Topic exclusive. Another very cool pop. Do have it though. I have most of this. Okay, next we have the Toy Tokyo exclusive from the 2019 San Diego Comic-Con. It's Kato. Really awesome pop. I think it's undervalued because it is Bruce Lee, but people don't see him as Bruce Lee, I think, or at least people that aren't as familiar with the Green Hornet. I think he's awesome though. I think he should be worth more than he sells for. Okay, next we have the Diamond Collection Flounder. It's a Hot Topic exclusive. Very cool looking pop. Do have that one already. Oh, this one is really cool. We have the Chef Figment. I think I need this one. It's a Disney Park exclusive. This one actually might be going into my collection. That is cool. I like getting stuff like that. Oh, and then these are cool. I didn't get these yet, so I was thrilled that she had some. Okay, so we have the Target exclusive Captain America Blacklight series. These pops are amazing looking. I just love the way the box looks. I think they're restocking in November, so the prices might come back down. But for now, I'm just happy that she sold them to me for a decent price, and I'm happy to have that. I want to get all of them. And then she also had the Blacklight Iron Man, also a Target exclusive. Absolutely love how these pops look. I do want to get all of them, so I'm happy to have 2 for now, and I'll eventually get the others. Like I've been saying in the last month or 2, I am not going out of my way to get the newer stuff just because I don't like the stress of trying to hunt it down anymore. I want to have fun when I collect, so I'm having more fun just buying collections from people, meeting people, having fun discussions, asking, learning why they're selling the collection, learning how they've changed their collecting behaviors, learning just from people and just talking about collections and having a fun time and collecting stuff for a good price. That's so much more fun to me than like waiting in long lines, going online, hoping the bots don't outprice you and all that. It's so stressful. They really need to change the way. Honestly, with all the online sites, they need to make it so that if you get to the site, you click on something in your cart, it says it's in stock, you click in your cart, you get to buy that item no matter how fast other people check out. So if they only have like 1,000 of that item, the first 1,000 people to put it into their shopping cart get to buy it. It doesn't matter how long it takes them to check out, as long as they check out within like 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can put it back on your site and let someone else buy it. That's fine. The problem is they have it so that whoever doesn't just put in the cart the fastest, but whoever checks out the fastest gets to buy it. And that's why the bots win, because the bots are all automatic. They go boom, 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 done. Right? You don't have to sit there entering numbers or anything. It's instant. So basically the bots win. The system is flawed right now. They need to make it so that when people buy stuff, it's based on if you put it in your cart, you get to buy it, right? If you can take 5-10 minutes to put in your credit card information, your shipping information, you hit checkout, you get it. The way the system they have now, where it's the fastest to check out, not the fastest to add it to their cart, makes it so that the bots get everything. And it's very stressful. It also means that someone with a bot can make multiple purchases probably faster to different addresses than a single person can just entering stuff in manually. And because of that, some bot owners, they might have their cousin and their uncle and their aunt and 1,000 other people buying stuff. And so they get all their stuff so they can flip it for double, triple, 10 times the value. And a lot of collectors miss out. I've seen a lot of collectors kind of quitting right now. I personally don't have the desire to buy all the new hot stuff anymore, so I'm just going to wait for people to trade it in. I might have to pay a little bit more, or maybe I'll pay a little less because maybe some of the stuff will go down after it comes out. But either way, I don't like the stress of fighting to try to get the new stuff anymore. So I'll quit. I quit buying new Pops unless it's something that's very easy to order. But I still want them. I'm just going to have to wait 6 months or a year or 2 years or however long it takes. Okay, next we have the Big Yellow Funko Shop exclusive. Very cool Pop. That one I do have, but I think one of my patrons wants that. Oh, I love this one. It's the Amazonia Wonder Woman. It's a Hot Topic exclusive. She is really cute. I love this one. I believe I do have that one, though, so that one will be for sale. Okay, next we have... Okay, this is cool. It's the Diamond Collection Jack Skellington. It's a Hot Topic exclusive from the Nightmare Before Christmas. Love this Pop. Do have it already, though, so that's going into my shop. We have the Common Wiz from Dragon Ball Super. That one I have already. Okay, next we have... Oh, this is cool. We have Ariel from the Little Mermaid. It's the one where she's in the ball gown. I think this one actually has a little bit of value now. I do have that one already. Okay, we have the Diamond Collection Eeyore. He is very cool. I do have that one already as well. Okay, we have the... It's not a Diamond Collection Ariel, but it is a glitter Ariel. I think it's a little bit older. This one came out in 2018. I think this is the reissue. The original one was a little bit earlier than that. Cool Pop. I do have that one already, though, so that'll be for sale. Next, we have the Pillsbury Doughboy. It's the 12 Days of Christmas exclusive. Very cool Pop. This one I do have already, so someone will want to buy that. Okay, the next one. Oh, okay, this is cool. We have the Baskin-Robbins exclusive Steve from Stranger Things. Very cool Pop. I get this one semi-often, but I think one of my patrons asked me to get this, so I promised her the next one I got was hers. This one's hers. Okay, next we have the FY exclusive Master Roshi, the one with peace sign. Very cool. Do have that one as well. This collection so far, there's like 2 or 3 I really want, and then I think the rest of these are just going to be for sale. Oh, and then we have the common Kool-Aid Man. I actually don't know if I have Kool-Aid Man. That one I have to double check, because I absolutely love this Pop. I think he's the coolest. That is a neat Pop. There's a lot of people don't like Funko Pops, but I think something like this is just so neat that I think this could be universally loved. Even the people who hate Funko Pops, if you like Kool-Aid Man, you're going to like this Pop. Awesome Pop. Okay, I have one more box from Trisha to go through. Now, this is the second time I bought from Trisha. I think each time she sold me Pops were times that she just decided to pare down her collection a little bit because it was like expanding too much. And that's the thing. If you are fair to people, you give them a fair price. You know, I'm not trying to rip them off with cheap, low prices. I'm not paying so much that I personally can't afford it in the long run. But a fair enough price to people, they're just going to keep coming back to you because they understand that you have to sell them, but that you're paying them fair enough that it's worth their time just to bring me stuff, sell it, get rid of it, and then they're done with it. They don't have to deal with selling online or dealing with other people. So I appreciate that, and it's cool. I mean, there's a lot of times I just keep buying from people once every like 6 months or a year. It becomes easy for them. Just I'm in the place that they can collect what they want, and then if they get overwhelmed or they decide they just need to clear it out, they can bring it to me, and they know they're getting it's not all their money back, but a healthy portion. You know, if I give them 50% of what a collection's worth, that's a good amount. That's a pretty healthy amount. Okay, so let's go through this next box. I think, oh, okay, this box has some cool stuff in it. All right, first off the bat, we have kind of a Grail Pop. So, Grail Pop. We have the Flock Tricks Rabbits, 2019, I think. Oh, this came out earlier than I remember. So, it's from the 12 Days of Christmas 2017. Flock Tricks Rabbit. Very awesome Pop. This one, I ended up giving her, I think, like 60% of the Pop price guide. She asked me, she's like, you know, this one is like Grail, kind of more expensive. Will you give me a little bit more? I say, you know what? Sure. I mean, he's a cool Pop. I was happy to do that. Okay, this is cool. This is from the Mickey exhibit. It's the teal and blue Mickey Mouse. It does look like it got a little bit crunched on the protector itself, which crunched the box a little bit. But I think this is one of the rarer ones I get from this set, so I'm sure someone will want that, even if it's a little bit damaged. Very cool Pop. I love it. I still really like that Mickey exhibit set. Okay, we have the GameStop exclusive Molten Man from Spider-Man Far From Home. It's the glow-in-the-dark version. Very cool Pop. That one I do have already. Oh, this is cool. It's the Rainbow Bigfoot. This one I do have, so this one will be for sale, but I'm pretty sure someone will want it. I need to get the rest of the Bigfoots. I really like the Bigfoots. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, this is the Mickey exhibit orange version. Very cool Pop. Do have this one. I'm pretty sure I have the full set now. And I think I have the full set in both stickers. Okay, next we have the Walmart exclusive glows-in-the-dark Mysterio. Very cool Pop. That one I do have already. And then we have, what's this? Okay, we have the Barnes & Noble exclusive Glows in the Dark Hydro Man from Spider-Man Far From Home. That one I'm pretty sure I have as well. And then we have a couple of bigger things. We have Under the Moonlight movie moment from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Absolutely love this movie moment. I think it's adorable. Just a great scene. A great pop version of the scene. This is movie moments done right. Love this one. I don't remember if I have it even. I might actually need this one. This one I'm going to have to double check. Yeah. When does this come out? 2018? Love it. This is beautiful. This is the kind of thing you could take out of the box and just display and enjoy. Okay, and then we had the Kingdom Hearts box. It's a mystery box. I think I have all the parts inside the box already in my collection. I'm going to just keep a sealed one in my collection just to have it sealed because I already have it. I already have all the parts. I just don't have it in the box. I think people have traded me the Pop. It's a really cool, like, statuesque Sora, I guess, like a deluxe Pop. I think it's like a little teeny keychain set and then like a couple other items. So for today, I guess you're just not going to see inside. Okay, and then the final thing from the collection, which is really cool. I did not have this yet. It's the Glows in the Dark 10-inch Ursula. She is neat. I love this Pop. She is done well. This is a really awesome 10-inch Pop. I don't have this one, so this one's going into my collection. Added to the wall eventually, probably. Love this Pop. Awesome. Thank you for selling me your Pops, Trisha. I had a lot of fun going through your little collection here. And I'm going to put a couple other mega epic Funko Pop hauls right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.